Lust is not just ruining your day, it is ruining your life, quietly. And the scary part is this: you don't even notice it happening. It steals your focus. It steals your confidence. It steals your energy. And every time you give in, something inside you gets weaker. Not your body, your mind. Because lust is not just a feeling, it's a trap. It's like junk food for your brain. It tastes good for a moment, but after that, you feel empty. You feel tired. You feel ashamed. And then you say, "I'll never do it again." But the next day, you do it again. That's how the trap works. Let me tell you something most people won't say. Lust doesn't make you happy. It makes you addicted. It's like a remote control. And every time you give in, you hand the remote to your urges. So now your urges control you. And you think you are free, but you're not. You're stuck. Here's the twist. Lust is not the real enemy. The real enemy is what lust is hiding. Because most people don't chase lust. They chase an escape. They feel lonely. They feel bored. They feel stressed. They feel unloved. So they run to a screen, not for pleasure, but for comfort. Like a kid running to candy when they feel sad. But candy doesn't fix sadness. It just covers it for a moment. And listen, I'm not judging you, because I've been there too. I know what it feels like to say, "Just one more time," and then hate yourself after. But today I'm telling you something powerful. You are not broken. You are just trained wrong. Most people lose this battle because they fight the wrong way. They say, "I'll use willpower." But willpower is like a phone battery. It drains. And when it hits 1%, you fall again. So if you really want to win, you don't need more motivation. You need a better system. Here's why you keep losing. Your phone is always near you. You scroll late at night. You stay alone too long. And you never ask yourself, "Why am I doing this?" Now here's how you win. Step 1. Cut off the triggers. Block the websites. Unfollow the accounts. Delete the apps. Make it hard to fail. Because if the trap is always open, you will fall inside. Step 2. Replace the habit. Don't just remove lust. Replace it with something stronger. When the urge hits, stand up. Walk outside. Do push-ups. Take a cold shower. Write in a notebook. Move your body. Because when you stay still, your mind becomes a battlefield. But when you move, you break the spell. Step 3. Fix the real problem. Ask yourself, am I lonely? Am I bored? Am I sad? Am I running from my life? Because lust is often a mask, and behind that mask is pain. So don't just fight lust, fight for your healing. Now imagine this. You wake up with a clear mind. No guilt, no hiding, no shame. You feel strong. You look people in the eyes again. You walk like a man with power. You talk like a woman with confidence. Because you're not controlled anymore. You are in charge. And let me remind you, you are not weak. You are just untrained. But training changes everything. One day at a time, one decision at a time, one win at a time. So start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today, because the real battle isn't on your phone. It's in your mind. And the best part? You can win. Take back your focus. Take back your confidence. Take back your life, because you were not born to be a slave. You were born to be free. Start now.